Hello everyone, enthusiastic. The advice you're about to hear comes directly from highly experienced technicians who work at this well-known appliance repair shop. So let's fix this issue together. Curious. About 2 weeks ago, a woman came in with her washing machine showing LOFL and said, "It's stuck on LOFL and doesn't wash anything." The shop technicians know that this is usually related to water supply issues or the door. Basically, the washing machine doesn't recognize that the door is closed or that there's enough water to start the cycle, so it stops before even beginning to wash. For example, several customers have mentioned, "The washer seemed ready, but it never filled with water, and LOFL always appeared." In the shop, technicians explain that this can happen when the inlet valves are blocked or the filters are dirty. Cleaning the filters, checking the hoses, and making sure the water supply is open is usually the first effective step. As one technician says, if the water doesn't enter, the machine gets stuck on LOFL, and we fix it quickly by checking the valves and filters. On the other hand, some customers notice that the door seems closed, but the machine still shows LOFL. This usually points to a problem with the door switch or latch. Shop technicians explain that adjusting or replacing the latch resolves the error. Even Maytag has mentioned in technical bulletins that certain models had latches that could fail and cause this exact issue. Additionally, in certain situations, the water level sensor may be malfunctioning. Some customers say, "The washer didn't recognize the water level and the cycle wouldn't advance." Shop technicians explain that if the sensor sends the wrong signal, the washer thinks there isn't enough water and stays on LOFL. Cleaning the sensor contacts or replacing it is usually the most reliable solution. Finally, after checking the valves, filters, door latch, and water sensor, technicians always recommend restarting the washer to clear the code and allow the cycle to start properly. As one customer commented, after cleaning and adjusting everything, the washer started filling and washing without problems, showing that following these steps prevents unnecessary repairs and efficiently resolves the LOFL error.